To cook our spinach and ricotta tortellini, I've got some water here that's on a boil. It's got some salt in it. So we can just drop the tortellini in. And that'll come back up to the boil. And once it starts to float on the top, then that's when it's starting to cook and it's going to be ready. So whilst it's doing that, I'll prepare the sauce that we're going to put on this. And it's just going to be a pesto sauce. So I'm just using a store-bought pesto. You could make your own if you want to. But if you're buying stuff from a store, then just make sure that you buy the best quality pesto that you can afford within your budget. So there we'll use 2 heaped teaspoons of the pesto. And that's all that we're going to use with the sauce. We'll transfer the tortellini into the bowl, and we'll have some of the pasta water as well, just to help make that sauce. So with the tortellini, a couple of them have started to raise to the top. So it should only take another minute or so. Once it actually starts to get to the boil, then we'll probably have the pasta ready. So you can see it's just starting to boil around the edge. So we'll give that another 45 seconds to a minute or so. And you can see now that it's come back up to a boil. The pasta's started to circulate through the water. It started to float on top. So that'll be just about done by now. So what I'll do is I'll get our pasta drainer. We can just turn off the heat on here. And we can transfer the pasta across into our bowl. And like I said, we want some of that water to come across as well, so that'll help make the sauce that we're going to have. Just one more bit. There we go. And now we can give this a stir round, just making sure that everything gets coated in some of that pesto. That pasta water emulsifies with the pesto as well, so that gives us that real sauciness. And what we can do, we bring in our serving plate. We can take this and we can gently plate the pasta up. And there we have it, our spinach and ricotta tortellini with a pesto sauce.